Sompa FM 106.5 Accra live na dia soso ensem ni nyina obetimi akọ wiase nyina apa ne so na nasafo kantanka de ne nam ho wo hwe bi no na wo kenkan bi na wo chema onua bi nso enya bi 93.1 ehwa adabraka no na asantema ya atum eye Sompa kumase sa abra kro na France abrochima mu Paris ye ne nam ho eno ya damfo pa radio Doma 100.7 FM wafa en live ewo doma hinkruma ne masase paso ma doma hene ene na pamfo na trankonwa ni nyina se ne eye wam se eye wiem ana se nanafo ene ne fie ho nyina no eye Sompa na wo no mutie abusua ewo bono fam na sa bono ho ano ye live o ewo doma kromu ho Sompa 101.3 eno achi no bono uduru na hinkura sunyane 98.9 lajibe kwa na bro sanum ye life wo ho ye mine nti ene ye Sompa enye ya ye ntira abusua eno na tete firi mu wo bono ho a ekwa akotwam kopia half no na mom ukobono epoye fam no a 106.1 eno ye tachiman Sompa no na sa frequency kro na wo mfimfini mantem eno ye fra na kingdom 90.7 Sompa nkransa ededem live Sabre krona baby FM stations ne won decoder no so ye gina mu se franka Ghana de no a ye this match no www.somponline.com ensemi nyina ye rata boate akekere de akoto ko abenya bia kenkan wonya bia hwe e wo wani so na wo hwe ne live baby amofo kwa kudo nyina mu wo mo hwe e wo abrochima mu Netherlands nom no Sompa FM live won so betimi ahwe ode e de free ho Sompa Kra 106.5 live ene ye Facebook na ye hia wadwenkyere ene won kanto so anwumiri kase ne bate se dimafo midimafo eba center wo de time ato ye nso ena ye bedia ma wona yemfa ya se ho nhya abenti just hot kinky enche na papa bi shito papa bi no wono na ya abone 3 Ghana cedis ama amanfo toton edison faso ene wo hwa ayefro ayiyo ne dwumadie bia ye timede dokundie kwa ase no a Josu de na edi ahime sanse na ne boefo na wudi nso a wonye wo mukutaye mu enanse ne ba wa akwan mu edoso papa na ebi wo hote a wa wo yembe so ebi nso te a na wani kura age se ofiri manum ena ebi nso te a o sa ade achi ante asem fofora ya ne yechi de edi mu akote na abete no ebi ne se
ebu akwa santimanta mu de no na mabunu bi wo mu akwa ho ade bi wo ho uni ma rekode moto ana akum security officer ya wo ananwumere no wo nenam wo ye na adwuma na ba wa bedu akwaje amane na basisia
na ba bedu kro ya no ba bi ahaw bia wo mpuntu abo wo mo ape no no waduru ho sa hospital ya wo no masisia wo manwie na still atimamufu esu ho no se wi hospital wo ko ho nhira nka nyame sese ECG fo wo maduru ho mo ko yeden ye de ba
empanifo akadada say when the last 3 dies the last man dies se dia ba kwa twato no eno ewu se kimwa na nipa no so twato na wawu ne santi wo hempopra wo no wo boaben wo ka de akire kuafo won potam wo nyina se monyine mu hunu anua na nam saa so ama nipa nyina che
eno ana IT expert wo mo so cha se internet service no ebetimi aye adwuma na atimi aye adwuma ene wo se bia so no wo munya eho chefa na we no IT expert here Thomas Graham Wilberforce wonna wa kasa asemi na ni nyina akokode adwa ewo ekura ye fra wo se simiu ye de ho nsam oba
anu wie pe no na afi na watwe mo nsam ni nyina asane ye baaye no ni asan siri nyina akoso eno ne ye fra na Ghana this week na watwe mu de no firi na no joda besi nrafi ebi o wa wote a sane na eje ka na nim ho Obakaso, oh, you can never be sad in this country. Ebi also atias you. Say we dey nyanwanwa. Ba ku bi also atias, eh. Enti na metu kwa na, e na we nyina si machi. Ghana de no a. Saba ya obeti ne yenti. Na asafo kantanka. Ene odifo Messiah madawro menti. Wo mu nyina ebo ye chidom ama anwumre yatimi asom. Father's Day no, ye gusu a ye die. Eno nti men at work. Wabrempon na kwaku ampoma wadama kuma chiame enemy menembra
triple A ejapia apamdada Father's Day
afei yɛnhyɛnsɛm no ase ɛmfa ɛma wo yɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛde afiri asantemantɛmu awerɛhosɛm koraa yɛ nsa ka ɛde afiri abuakwa ne baabi a yɛfrɛ sɛ nakisa ɛhɔ ne yɛgyina yi na bɛwa bɛdu ɛna wɔkɔfa amanneɛ nyinaa ɛde firi hɔ ɛde baayɛ wɔkyerɛ sɛ moto bio ɛne kae bi ɛna de nyantam wɔ hɔ a ɛnyɛ asɛm kuma ma nam so koraa ma kyɛ sɛ dansini a ɔkyɛ so no koraa de wɔta baabi a wɔde ɔyɛ ne kɔ agya wɔ wɔtwa ne star kɔ wɔte ya ne sɛ ya pau na ɔde no nim sɛ bi a knockout bi na ato ɔgya Father's Day knockout ɛna amanfoɔ to na sɛ bi kura mpo a na balu bi a na bɔɔ bi a wɔne bɔ na amanfoɔ na yakɔ hyiam sɛ bɔɔ koraa deɛ nipa mmienu tumi ka hyiam na agye pau na ayɛ saa nti ɔde wɔmfa na adwene koraa nkɔ hɔ afei akyire wɔte dede mumro wawu mumro wɔm kɔhwɛ ya sɛ security officer bi a ɔwɔ St. Anthony International School ɛno ɛmfafram hɔ no ɛna moto ya bɔ no a akɔfa awurahosɛm sɛ paa ɛde aba na dansini no wɔbɔmmɔden agye berɛ ɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛneɛ na wɔnim fa ho ɛne mpo berɛ a ɔno akora bɔ no ho ntorɔ sɛ nkagya wɔmɔmfa abantie yi ɛnkɔ ayɛ asabea na nso sɛ wɔmkɔhwɛ na yɛ sɛ ade no wɔnyɛ agye mu wɔ hɔ wɔkyerɛkyerɛm kyerɛ bɛwa bɛdu
deɛ sɛdeɛ wawode w'ani adi kan abɛhu no obi na sɛbi ne mmerɛ ɛnsoeɛ ba yɛnim deɛ ho ba adeɛ ahyehyɛ ɛna ɔno nso wabɛnya ɔno no ayi ɛnkɔ nhyiawuo ba meme deɛ na memefie a na wɔ memmerɛkyi ya no medeɛ na memeyɛ kɔɔ nti mene meyɛ kɔɔ na metee sɛ biribi agye prɛw ba me deɛ memaadwea ne dɛ ama so ba na me deɛ meyɛ me kɔɔ nti akyirɛ yi ɛna metee sɛ dede sɛ ɔhyɛ aseɛ na ayɛ sɛ ntimi deɛ mehu yɛ ne sɛ moto ene ka baabi amna mama ne dana na omu gyina hɔ ase akɔdane wantwi ɛna omu tiki ayi no mu aka ni no omu pia ka ntimi mi gyato mu sa omu pia ka sɛ obi yɛ dɛ ɛda sɛ na mi gyam ka timi mi gyam ka ba mu sɛ moto so ate afa baabi ayɛ dan wɔ ya nti yɛ ba na yɛ hu sɛ man bia ɛmfa sɛ like when the kra no bɛyɛ bia ne 50s nti yɛ de na yɛ di hu abobo timi de mi gya hɔ na sister bi yɛ sɛ man onim no na ohwe yɛ chia no ma school bi wɔ hɔ yɛ frɛ no St. Anthony ɛhɔ na man no ɛyɛ security timi kra de na me try sanka list sɛ o ka onwu ya ka yɛmpɛ ka nyɛ yɛ fantumi sɛ yɛ dura police for nanka ya ma mu so ayɛ dɛ ɛnom yɛ so
wei ayɛ dansini a wɔde na ne kro twa wisi a na hwene mienu na hwene santam na ne mienu na hwene santam no wɔde kɔ hu yɛ na wɔkyerɛkyerɛ mu kyerɛ ba wa bɛdu sɛneɛ onim fa asɛm yi ho wɔkyerɛ sɛ papa no wohwɛ no a wankɔkraa bɛyɛ ne mfinhyia aduonu mu deɛ wɔbɛnya yɛ a moto abɔ no a akɔyɛ awerɛhosɛm paa
nyame ɛmfa ne kra nsie yie na wɔnom a wɔn de hyeɛ no nso ɛnkyɛkyere wɔn mo werɛ ɛma ne yaw ɛnkɔ na bɔ a bɛdu kuro ya no na boboa no ne yɛgyina ɛnkyɛ biara ɛna wɔtwe bɛto amansa nyinaa pae so wɔ Sompa fie ha ɛkyɛ sɛ yɛ kapa de a ayasa bia Ghanafoɔ su ho ɛne ayarehwɛ papa a yɛhwehwɛ du baabi a wɔn bɛbɔ anan akɔ akyirikyiri akɔgye ayarehwɛ brɛko ebisi wɔn hwena no nanso yɛmie yɛatotom kredo de demo no na ɛbra so sɛ yɛbɛbie na afei adwuma bi a ɛwɔ ho no wɔn ayɛ afiri hɔ ntɛm na adwumayɛfoɔ tumi akom na wɔn mo ɛte fie seesei backlogs na yɛmfa wɔn adwuma no nso anya adwuma no bi ayɛ ebi ne Sewia Regional Hospital no na ene se ye boss wo Sompa kaseɛ so hot bite so ane ye bite na hot no ampa ne nuane ampa mpanimfo atu ho na mo ama seesei sɛdeɛ enkra no honorable assembly member ye wo Sewia electoral area honorable Prince Kwame Adutwum ɛde to so no ɛkyerɛ ba abedu kyɛ seesei ECG fo aba wo mo ye wiring ɛno kyerɛ sɛ enkomo no atom mpanimfo asom na de ye ntie bi
Donado, yes, Obi Bino, no script or pop up, no type. But one may be an etchino. As a sense, I hand over Ama government to know as a script or company in Nitroka. I wasn't to track and freeze up and other people. And to go for the American Paka credit. And a cover a conference from one who are man now with this abonnement. Editor hospital. But she say I'm no concern. A bass and I'm far from friendly DC. This is a region minister. I'm not watching. Come, someone to some call who don't mind. Before I form myself on show, a certain park, come is a script. I'm not because I can't do it. Some minimum now call my South Station hospital in China. I'm connecting from my hospital. But I never call my uncle who says, contact us as a push. Now I have a connecting the Ama hospital. I say, see, I'm not because the Canadian station on Casa. Anna is also in the honor, but you say, Ebefa.
J. Omas, I say, why is no go to no one say, obese wonu me enim ho de technocrats no wonu be ba be ye adwuma bia ye na enye han na ho aye han honorable prince adutwim se we electoral area assembly member ene ne ba bedu edi sankomo yi
afi ne kire mu ewo nsem foforo mu ukopie mu ewo eye buaben na eho ana nana owusu da muame ya e otoso miensa odi hene ana wo toto edesre baby ameka safri I am grandson of mensinu mu ewo obono na po ye mantamu asem ne ye kan pa na eho na nana kasa no wo kirekire mu an wo tu mabunu ne fo eno achi kromafo nyina wo bia afutuo ne bia ewom eno wo kapa titiri pa ne akuafo se wo kona okotwa board a eye aduadua se wo kotwa oniama wo ye nyina no munu aduanua na na boadi Joachim wono na wo kasai ana wo kire se we kra na kana na damwa me ya otoso miensa ena na kasa na nsa na kura na kura ba be kasa no ena yero boadi Joachim wono ena wamu aja wamu duadua ne kakra Graceland Community Forest Foundation for wamu gusu wamu ye nua no adwuma sane be ya mpanifo di kan kase when the last man dies when the last tree dies the last man dies wamu mpese saa de ne bi kura ebesie no ntino ena wono mo eye ne saa ho eno ena nam so a wono so ede saa ensem bebre ede tutu mpanifo anim ewo ho na nsana na be kasa no ye ntie nsem a ye rabuade Joachim wode tu dwa ne bi
Trimopo ama yede sako ba ye no se na odwumadi foforo yedi ade boa moframa school yede kuayo ene di sa adwumadi no nti ye na ye pa asase yede bi ekuya adwuma ye kwato moframa bi e wo ba bi ya na enye possible se ombetimi afri ho akọ school ko ba bi ya na ombetimi akọ no na ebe nkwansiri be yedu ame ye hunu se moframa bebre wo sa bia ya omusunya sa akonya ya ka omope na mmom ba bi omowo no enya ade omutim ekọ school we me ye fa ye ho to ye ho se ne ase ade be ka ye ho ne afofra amone ya adwen eyepe o sa kwan no so no ati community ketewa bi a ye de be fa nkora no abetene tami ankasa no community bi efre ne PCC kwanza na ewo eho ne yetete mi nti sa ahofama no ewumu a mehu ye no mfi se ye so ye nya bibi sa ne ye mfa ntete moframa no na ye de nuadua no aye se gina nti uduadua na oyibi aboa me ye de boa sa moframa yi no na dua na enyini no na moframa no so enyini
sa pepepe dua na enyini no so di fo mo ne wo mo akare nyina no na wo mo nso enyini enam so nti no abante ba akwa efe ne se Gideon wono na waka wono makwaje santete yi ho wono nso ene so mpaka se ebo nkomo a wo kirekire se ne wono nso nya mfase opa e de afri mu
chiefs, community leaders, partners, teachers, friends and fellow children. Today I stand before you with gratitude, hope and a dream. There was a time when my future did not look bright. Like many children in underserved communities, access to education was a challenge. Opportunities were few and life was not always easy. But someone believed children like you deserve a chance. That belief gave birth to the Graceland Initiative. Because of this initiative, I can stand confidently before you. I can go to school. I can dream again. I can hope again. For some people, a school may just be buildings and classrooms. But for children like us, education is life. Education gives us confidence. It gives us dignity. It gives us the power to dream beyond our circumstances.
awu akara na brofo akara wo nyini yo wa kwa ye mfie nsompe eno wo kan brofo shem sa no na no atepa ye friend Gideon eno na wo wie ye no na owusu da moame ya otoso miensa wona ya hempapro wo buaben na wono kro ya ikra no wona na adwumadi a wo mudi nyina no wo ye dwemtireni eho ben fie ma wo kasaye
Yeka tree planting initiative. And I'm saying the anything. Yes, we say if you need to put a boa in a sass, so put a boa in a sass, so ye bayano and she say, Mammy Akosia Manu, and Mammy Adua Mansa, a fool on a siano sono, the baby and Mia, Akasia, Miensa, I was siano so. Sad Biano Yabia, Yen Canada, and Ananum Ebia, Sa initiative in the boa, Ama Asas, Sem, who may share, you who be a messiah, and also a Bebana. Say it's in this arm, right? So so a ebe di afese enne no na boa ben ko nya sa so kwa area no e onua more than 10,000 eno so beba be support this three initiative anam yeda mo nyina ase enu yebia de bia yaka enne se boa ben aduru akira enye bibia se yen hofama ene yepe a yegya ye kwaye ato ho amana beye rabebe nne no yesre se enua no kofom esa eno nti ene de bo Graceland Foundation for abaso kesiye bayi every say na sa how we ye medabi so bi die nua yeso ye nja nua twa no
obi die nua yenso ye nya nua twa no enya kora oyin popro obo ben ne ben fie ma no we aye nana owusu da moame ya otoso miensa wono no ne ama ne bofo ekasa ye ede free nkranza nofu ede bayi
ene abusua ye nya free nkranza yada so ejina amamre no mamemfa no ho na fe yamfa pro ho na ye nkonkopi opo no so eno de na ye ko mfimfini man America na aboboa no na eho na IT expert Yera Thomas Graham Wilberforce wode atodwa che se ye ka internet ne eho dwumadie ne services a wo haba bi ti se simi ye no ewo commander Edna Egwafo Ebre municipality ho wo mfimfini man a na eho hia se wo moboa ekọ wonsra ba mu esanse eho no entimi nyina so na bra wonya adaje ebobo sansemi nyina wonin se yenya ka mfimfini mantamu dia na yere kanan na bobo ano pe ne poto so neda entu wo fa bi na nsama Yera Thomas Graham wode to so mpaka se anim no se de wo se no nie
yeso tutuma no kede inde yebaba na mozikan fozikan a oye ndaza obosuso infria obama semioman wenya abefo ntenten ne ho akaza obotum zezi dwuma yezo ne ho nzamareba abesha ase nti inde de yebehia nana na nempanyinfo yenyon izi ehun nkitaho mo wekweko dede abro yipuma kwen nti ya hye dwumazina ase oyamboa odemanyido odanana nakomado de na manfo esuafo wo hamde wobenya internet wozezi woni dwuma nti ne yemo on service a cover almost the entire enclaves of Semilkro. Jumezin fi inda kesi osuma ode henenyi maroba oye jula na yeba pahotam ma Semil menyina wenya no ho mfaso. Sintra mefa Semil as first project area oni yede na na yemenyanko oye me brother me ne to anamon bebre na oze ne ebisazu tumenyim no na bibia yo mo na kada mroko bibia apart from na do
eni a woti ye ene emfoni no a na wo hwe no Yera Thomas Graham wa mfimfini mantamu na simi ho na wo ka ho asem no adehye wo ho nso ama wo mu de ankam woni anan ekasa sei
internet service ya wa Kenya nse se me we bre yi ebe na internet wa ye bre ankasa na yenya se pe information kakra ebi nkwa ya ta times ye food ya ekoyi kijina kokwa ebi de ba na oil I say na yi wa ba so me ya usua de obobo hin ma ye pe information na za kire ho na za yenya obobo yen teachers me yetu ya twen oye information bebre na ya za kire de obasan so wa bo yen ma from me yetu na ya so ya ko online na ya twen information ana ya hwehwe nyemam do ro kodo na enyi internet service say enye bia enka ho nti inye wa ba no wa bobo yin bebre ndem nti mpanyimfo a wo boy ma de medwumadi obade ye da ho na ase
aha ene a woti ye adehye a wono mo wasimi ena ate se wo mo ne Eric anan edi nkomo ni nyina ye internet connectivity no IT expert Yera Thomas Graham enhwehye a wo ye se de be na adehye wo ho nso no wo ho henha wo mo internet im ena ate se wo ne anan kasa
abusuya sere nso medimafo aba center wono okita yemu a yesom wo ene anwumere yi Dr. Tamda so asem ne yakane saa no se odi ane ya nyodwe ya de stroke ana wa person ye oya yefunu ye oya me ba twa wode no ya wo na ma infertility sane ye kan wo no monka mo honfo woni nkyerem ewo medimafo aba center na ye mama wo ne bisisi a yade bia agi akentemya aya kwankro ewo nipadua no no wode woni kyerem ewo medimafo aba center Dr. Tamda so na so ya wode bre time ebeto yade no so na wetu ase kama ede amaw na kyerem kwan wo enkran ha ya ebu akwa agogo ena afi nso kumase nso enkran ha de no poku ase mayera tie ne ye poku ase mayera ena kumase ya ebu akwa agogo ne aban suku ne ho no ena edi enimhwe se obaso ane ne kasa odi agene numbers no 0244 774282 0244774282 and 0500 727215 0500 727215 na one yen abo enkomo afei na watwi mu ensamo a ye de ebesum wo ne nyina no ne wo se o sante bio yansansi ukoso na no Jordan no ana onyan for Felix kwacho fosu wode beto dwa no wa kire say na wotwe atwa mu no mu kura ansa de be say na wotwe de yebu ni ko mu no na minority for nenam Peter Pan and MPP for wo mo nenam social media so and traditional media hodo no print media ne nyina mu adan a mampede akufo ado na manfo say na dwuma for staffers are fa wo no na sika editium ka no mo do so pan ba na sika ne sha na nso mampani ma ba ye de wa fa ni paketu bi enso akatua bebre na wo shada kire mu se enya de a sika no wo mo asesa no salary structure no sa na tie.
Nobody's conditions of service can be varied downwards. So, for example, Mama cannot on his own say that I have reduced the grade points that is used to determine the salary as determined by the constitutionally constituted committee that looked into it. It is when President Mama sets up a committee to look into the emoluments that the committee may make these recommendations. President Mama has said that he doesn't believe that he should set up a committee and that as part of the constitution review process, and indeed over this weekend, Cabinet held an extensive sitting on Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Big push project here, man for no crown. One the walk running. Ya no crown, Bonano Bradano cry. Nano crown make a hassle. Big push dear. San one by here, almost say. So and crown, a chrono, and it is all your so a chrono, so Debbie, your chrono. Nanos when you are but any other dear. What church you must say.
Now, the first item relates to the details of the Big Push projects. Now, the title of the fourth estate publication was The Sole Source Factory, which was a reference to the Ministry of Roads and Highways. This description immediately conveys the impression that the predominant mode of contracting at the Ministry of Roads and Highways was through single-sourced contracts. It was imperative, therefore, that this be investigated to ascertain its veracity. Now, after a careful assessment of all the facts backed by documents, out of a total of 1,441 projects, 1,301 were awarded through open or competitive tendering. So 1,301.
We are for Felix. Kwachifosu abai ne kasama fo no.
Eno everywhere yefri abamu yankwa asantemamu. Na asantemamu so de wosi mampania na mu e region ho yewura. Dr. Frank Amwakohene. Dr. Abrantie. Afe Dr. Frank Amwakohene na ekasei. We dajo adano. No watcha say abano at the 400 million Ghana cedis. And adoma kwako ura se KNUST Medical Center. 800 capacity bed no wamunya ho adwuma no wamunwie. So the be na apomudempa no so baba be so de konfano chan ya asabia. Eye no ho edida na joada no. So de wo se ba be dunie.
Project KNUST Medical Center. And so from last year, any procurement authority, finance ministry, debt fund. I will bunch the president through debt fund. I'm making available 400 million Ghana cedis. They call KNUST Medical Center. Manoka said, concert constructions. Otherwise, we make no year. So they are living for UGMC. Kayasu UGMC, and I also got my hospital and KNUST Medical Center. And so about the other no died at all. There's a mama from the soda, sir. If you are making sure it's 400 million, never should it be Friday. KNUS 20,000 students as part of the 1 million students program. We also open media for the laptop. As our last 3 weeks, 1 hour already say around 500. Laptops no 500 up by 100 that we am at school. Registrations will cost already we are starting maybe by next month. Additional 500 that come up now 1,000. You know, students be our 1 million students program. Laptop practically whatever.
We as anteman transfer for Dr. Frank Amwakohene o kan sansemi be a wo share NDC ma wono mo KNUST konfanoche e de enonko na mom kwame nkonomasu apon mu tenfo no wo share wo mo no wo kan sansemi na ewieye no Frederick Cranche wono e 10 KNUST ho no wono ne da wo ma no na de tie ne de
As a team president, the advice that I'll give to my people is that they should take an opportunity in this and then go on and then apply. We take KNUST. I campus as a they say that Mahama Abana say, "Oh, you're my power." So I don't know. Abana is a $400 million and they are to see and find a hospital. And UGA, a beautiful hospital. So BBC easy. We are so the call. Then so BBC or KNUST here, the hospital and to me accommodating the public. But Abana area and so I didn't say so about I'm not a hospital where about some body to see already. I didn't mind. But also come up with honorable regional minister, Dr. Frank Amakon, and Juma Soon and so.
And no a thing, dear Odi woman in our KNUST, Frederick Crunchy, and a neighbor Bedu, Ekasai. A Jordanwa. Anna, we know a KMA boss. Yera, Richard, over Ibu Adiajima. Dudwana, Frederick Zuba. Na wananam aya swame empatamo ho na eho awakwe na manfo kwa dem so wie swame ho na kanoa no bato afa so fola akwan no ko fa patase enu okosi mo e was antase run about enu was eho fa inhia so bato mpese no so nyina no se run about no so wa mu ye mu adwuma ana ekwan no wa mo ye na nso adwarifo a so mu mfiri wa nne wo mu mfiri wa kyena na bra akoye no adwarifo no twere won sisi
Pine can, baby be at the Amay, and MPP for call opposition, and this in a matter of mobile power. Or mobile and also sono, Yanka being shame. Your heart, your tea answers Zuba, at the Akota radio station, Angel FM. Sir, Yen 2, and 3 has said, was setting Obia. Maybe to one setting my mamma shame. Maybe to answer has a shop no, me to answer, and I call Yana now. Tia call and also do near the other side of Cotunan. Tia the other side of Cotunan. One of Catches at Yamain and you let Tampa at Yamain, you let them say that you call. You call with your ramens, ya. Tia call no position or may not say Debbie, assassin or Tienjo na monko asasira ampani ampanso de ose yo ye kwa asasira ye kwa bona manie ama ono so se waka wate to ono so the letter akwa 2km say omo ye omo kwan omo ye omo kwan na na say so ne ye
chiche say aban be ye kwan which is a good news for everybody because I drive every day and good roads is good for all of us. Me ton car pass nini manem most of the time we ba na link ebu we ebu na in support to in road enye and congestion. And so another thing, it has quite interchange to fantastic roundabout omo dualization.
Ejarifo bi no ana obi a chane de mu kama paa no ni nyina mu no kenzuba wo kire se enkamfo se ejarifo yinya yampre no ekwa no de ya bia ne a won beye tukura no won besan tu o maka ho
Montani Jakwa. Then we also catch our best we are now quite a bit one location. We are starting from where part of any agency is out there. Everything that sets on where the project is passing. Who get it wrong? Who is about to win? Who is about to be? What do you want? Let's say if anybody has title to any land here, let the person bring it. If you don't have title to any land, forget it. You can go to court if you're not comfortable with what we are doing. Go to court. If you own the land and you have title to it, when you go to court, the court will give you the remedies you are seeking for. Otherwise, this is the city authority. We manage this, and we are saying that at this point in time, we are relocating all containers here. We are not sending them to somewhere that they can't have anywhere to do their trade. We are giving them a place. We are giving them a place at Kasagadi. Take your containers there. So go and get what is livable for you. Don't come and select it. That does not give you the right for you to disorganize the city.
Where era Richard Ofori Ajiman Body Kinzuba. Wanona waya KMA Amrado Awadano.
And every KMA na yengrem ewo aferi ministry hospital ho na eho ana minority bisa question one more question they say Ghana ha ye di Ghana CDC no $85 million US dollars says can wo mu busa o say e fa hin na adwuma ben kura na wo mu de ye na sansemi edabna da no ana yewra Kofi Amankwa manu mraso bedwani edema de hia wo no wa atwema kwa nwoma ana ne wo busa sansemi na enwoma eda ya yete e de firi ne wura no
We all want the Afari Military Hospital completed and operationalized to serve the health needs of the Ghana Armed Forces and the people of the Ashanti region and beyond. However, this must not become a conduit for daylight robbery. Any attempt to use the back door to pay this newly generated unjustified amount of 85 million United States dollars can only be described by the popular Ghanaian cliche, create, loot, and share. We will fiercely resist this scheme. We demand value for money, and we will protect the public purse. The government must immediately abandon this fraudulent 85 million US dollar claim, pay the outstanding 500,000 United States dollar, and ensure that the contractor completes the remaining 2% of the work without delay for use by the Ghanaian people.
Sompa FM.
MPP for them here better. Men can be here and now almost said Niomo Yano, our campaign. They may they can shut me down. Ghana for person here. Mummy almost agenda 111. Almost to be completely back of Prana. All ton contract, you know, and other people, at 10%. Ghana, maybe say, and then MPP for they should be careful with me. So maybe you're better. Only a mess beans all over the place. Now, when I catch you, say, me my president, maybe free sight, never know. I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not MPP. Agenda 111, Mumisa Wom, Sabako Kromu. They sold obedient contract now. Now I got home. Watching 10%. Anybody to me, we are moving about the criticizing and this one.
As I'm winner, you reckon a Japan called Bossua. So no man up pilots. Nasa way the Asana said that was a pass, said Madia Quacoto, what I'm Fukurum said, or Monyo. And Jabani say, Anna, Wama, one my initial fan and Yasono, one better China after Chinese or Vietnam. And no, a Dabnadano, Bena, your boy in Ibia.
Ebranana de no na ebi wumpa na oswafo a wo hwe ngomasu asem so onyanfo ha na idrisu wono so kasa kire se no kre yutagafo wo mu book and research allowance sika na no na wo mo so wo mo be ko ho beti ho atua nyina no abaya process sa strike no ai allowance no kakra na yese de ma wono abaya process eno nti hu hia bia se wona be ko strike what can I say to so?
President of Utah, Professor Vera, let me recognize you and to assure you that President Mahama will not give Utah an opportunity to go on strike. Therefore, your book and research allowance, I have a copy of the letter here signed by the Minister for Finance. What you may not be happy with is whether the exchange rate is the Bawumia rate or the John Mahama rate of the exchange rate.
We aya onemanyanfo Haruna Idrisu ena ode nsebo nyina atu dwa na na obnada no e wa mara shebe dwafie
na edabnada korona ana Ghana Police Service wono mo so ebe mu abi pachi Michael Mensa 39 years na de ntia wo mo so ne pachi nyina ne se wo mo che no se wa meda Innocentia Atufui Avenue ababa wa no a wo free mu ya wo gwahwe apon no say ewie ye kokko hunu wo beach bi no eno na nenam so a police service with integrity wo mo cyber vetting enforcement team no the IGP ate no wo mo ye hwehwemu na swiftly wo mo se da bi we de twetwe aso wo mo wura mu no ano mama ne edo ya so ne pachi na bone pa wodi ye ne de ntia mama wo mo kokko so ne pachi ne de abusua ni nyina nkamfu ano we eye enkomo a age ahaya na ubetumi ate ede afri sompa fie ha na abeti de afri na se de posifo no kire no ababa wa no se de yakase wonya akọ enti wonya akọ wie ye no na wo pie ye wonu ma wo hostel so wankra won wanka bibia ma wanhu ba bia wokọ ente ba sa won bo aposifo amane no wo mo hwehwe mu a ekohu se mu no eda beach baabi ne no na wo mo hwehwe mu no ma wo mo kokọ se mama na edo na wo de yentie we mra
anopei o show ni o yaw ashamakuma muma na enye bibia se ya ba eye sister Penny ba a ye fa ni Innocentia anopei ya wa ha ya nka bia nhyem ye te se yesi omakum ye ba owo UCC ewo Cape Coast na o ye me ba pa me sister Penny ba no o yaw ni arewo o yaw ama me ni papa afem asa no mudi omuba akodum pempenso na weduro no eye ya rewo na anopei me pesa me ma ebusuafo nyina ati asese enye obi aba na obefa akokwa empos akola no na wasai anase na odi be mechi na we akoto no mpo a enye ensese ebeto no efise obabia ya be masem saso na be ma bia so ye masem a be bia wanyi adunu onya akoda oyaw aba eti anopei mu hu me ha mi edofa me so de metimi aye de abo me ba ho bai e de abo me fie ho bai eni se me invoke me so me ancestors saso na me invoke ensua ye dano anopei oyaw pa ahye me boma oyaw pa ahye me mo kire se ya endura me hu ni ma me no ama me refu ye
enti sade asam no ekwaye no mama ne edo no wono dua na wabo no esanse aposifo ba be se o mahu ba bia na mu da no kura no na mama na akwa buru nua kura kire se sabi onya abofre kuma ena sabi sade ya na edu ba bia ebi no ka no no wo ba bia ye me masem na ba ma bia hwe ye masem enti se ye sampa na no nkire se ye nkoje ne kra mfiri ni nsem ne no ena mama no waka nche yi apa ya enya asam ketwa we eye dabna da bna boni bia
afe ewuramu ewo eda ukuada na ukuada no mu no ana opie mu ewo frau ne mantam no mu a ba bia abato mpeso frau se central ton ehona onumanyamfo Alexander Roosevelt who tejo wo no di MP no ana ne area ne ba ko ye afi aklamado ana mafi atetepo wo mo si se ne nsuo ye mpotam ho ama ekwan ba ko a elinki fa wa utimi kura famwa kosi hohoi ewure mu adidome bato dove Johnson ho nyina convert no a elinki ho no ensuo yiri ama ensuo na fase nyina ama se ne esusun ya hono no sempani ama e de asembeba yero Gerson Kofi Giseno wono ejina mu kasa e kire Sompa kasa yesi.
Even the culvert here has started breaking down since October 2025. This road is the only road which connects us here with our market. The Avelima market, Baton market, Mepe market, Dover market, Adajuanchin to Sukakope market. Without this road, if this road is cut off from here, we cannot travel to any point. Moreover, we are farmers. Our farm products will be here and we cannot get a road to go to the market to sell our products. So we are pleading with the road authorities to come to our aid, to come and repair this as quickly as possible before the whole thing break.
We yera Gerson Kofi Giseno na wo kasa wiye no ana school management committee chairman ya oda mafi atetepo die basic school ano ana ono ya fe na Alhaji Samuel Goko ana wono ani nua ba ko ono so uko mafi aklamado die basic school wa wono so the same position school management committee chairman ya ono so King David Kwabelagisa wo mi no ka bo mu how to yenim chese ya nhwe kwan na anya school kura nkora ntimi nko school.
So it's one of the vital road in our central town Afago. Those of us at this side, Electra area, it connected to is a really important road. So when it's divided, what happens is, so far as you have a 4-tie vehicle, you can't go.
Looking at the situation now, if care is not taken, what will happen is that by the end of the day, after the major rain season ends, it means that we are no longer going to have this road. Possible having it to use.
We Samuel Goko wani King David ne kasa yi eno nti asemi ba ya no Sompa kasa antno so ene ya ba nan ekopie mrase odwani ogina ma de hia ewo central town mensinu mu onamyamfo Alexander Roosevelt hutoje ye ne ekwakobo nkomo eno so mampani se kwano kra wo beye na abra na mampani wedi mrase bedwa no na wo mo chairman ya wo ne mpota mo ho baby ana mampani wo di adwa no bani anu no ne di mutintimai pa e wo bole bambo ya abato mpese ya se friend Alfred Amwa Dodovi mampani se sa kwan we ya wo mo kan wo ba beye e di asena ni nyam san se so obedi MP nyina no na Alfred Amwa Dodovi na ya ono.
But as it is now, the road needs total rehabilitation. Because the man came from the overbank. To be fair, I've decided to mention the road overbank. And the road I'm talking about now, the road in question, that had a problem during the torrential rain, has been identified and given to the road minister. It will soon be awarded on contract and constructed accordingly. Because I know the integrity of the road minister.
Kwani agboja sani ewebo jafa eni nti woma ka se kwano wan beye no enche bia wo ne beye we eye onimnyamfo Alexander Roosevelt hotoje wana ya mara shebedwa ni ogina ma de hia ewo Central Townments ni mu framantam mo
ene ma remfi se Sompa no nsia bre mu ka se ebo anwumre de no eno ane yegusu ayede ma wo na wotwe mu nsam ne yewo na yewura da wukwadam Wednesday wukwada no mu ana yewura Felix Kwachefosu de wono na aban komobia otimidi na bonten wode beto so no wo chese aban no 700 million Ghana cedis wo yidi atua S Gracia de na atia kama e backlogs no nyina na sade wosi boss wo no se no kan no.
But that determination was for appointees of President Akufo-Addo. You understand me? Then analogously, the deputy chief of staff's salary was determined. So it moved from 83 to 86. And then the factura was done, and then the salary was it. The controller did his thing, and they determined the salary. But that salary was the terminal salary. It is for them. When President Mahama came to power, he has not determined anybody's salary. So we can only rely on what we came to meet and what the committee determined should be paid to him. So it has been paid. Indeed, if you go to the Ministry of Finance, they will tell you the amount. For MPs on both sides, some of whom were ministers, some of whom were not, over 700 million has been paid in back pay and S Gracia. So if you take what the 2024 budget says alone and pick that figure, you need to add the top up to determine the full compensation. You understand what I'm saying?
And the government accountability series as you kuntabuno ya wo mu budi kirete mamufo no wo kire se S Gracia no kura say wonu ma ya dada fo no bi beka se na aban yi ba ya kura no yensika akam wonfa man a se oni no hu esan se 700 million Ghana cedis onye cedi dada no na wo ma yidi atua era Felix Kwachefosu
enna na DC fo na atwa madada fo no ombusa se na we na presidential staffers ne de no minister for the mampani akache for no de no matua na because omo DC ni MC for the end besin ne maye ebinum gibi kura koto amambi ari ne kode na omo de ayoma de nso no kura de akam na no sam komo nyina ho no ana clinical psychologist were lecturer University for Development Studies UDS no Peter Minter Amadu wade atudwa na wo kire se ye ka na yetimi akoni ye pa wa apomden mu a we nya afa na na TS Gracia bia agenda 111 no munye.
As regards engagement with our young people with the use of substances, at the grassroots level, what we need is advocacy and the resourcing of institutions like government facilities, CHIPS compound, district hospital, polyclinics, to be able to identify signs and do proper referral. At the district level, we want more capacity to be built at the level of the district hospital where we have a lot of mental health officers to be able to support individuals who are referred to their level and have more capacity to even provide some level of service. At the regional level, where we have a number of psychologists and psychiatrists, is where we think that if we can beef up their capacity more in terms of the human resource, what it means is that we can get a lot more people being helped at that level. But see, at the national level or even at the regional level, where we have a number of opportunities, especially Agenda 111, which was coming up for the northern part of Ghana, which has stalled, what we rather need is, we want to encourage government to prioritize this. I speak like this, but I also understand what is contained in the Mental Health Act. We want to do community service, but it's not everybody who can be rehabilitated in the community. The more reason why we need a specialized facility to be able to take care of these services to provide more comprehensive rehabilitation for our young people.
We Peter Minter Amadu, we are clinical psychologists, essentially a lecturer at University for Development Studies, and I know Kwadano, and no cancer moving in actual Sompa.
Afa busuya yengra yawada na yawada no ya one ya da no mu ana donkuma wo ma imra sebadwa fie minority caucus no mighty minority for wo mo san betiti bi gun mu bio asa 9 billion eyeka loss ana abana bo na ebusa sa abana bo so hwe good board for wo mo ka wo ma bo no na sa asem yewura afanya maken wo sa hene wo no na bie so na eda ya woda no yentie de wo se ya na wo ponchecheku wo fa bi ma yen.
The issues are good board. Those issues smell. It stinks.
Well noted.
He must bring the chief executive of Gold Board here. So Parliament to do the necessary inquiry. That is my prayer. That is all my plea, because this is a government that is saying all over that it believes in probity and accountability. Probity and accountability, and there are 9 billion losses.
So
Gold Board procurement are not transparent, and Mr. Speaker, the public wants to know.
Eno yewra Alexander afanya maken kwamena osahene evutumra shebedweni na sasemi ya wo boss wa ana ebebrate do kunu yewra dafia makwo eche ekanidin ho wono nso asode ye na de wode to so no enwuma da ya tifiri ni wura no yintibi.
His agency serves under a certain ministry. So it is the minister who must come to respond to the question. Speaker. So if the question indeed has been filed and directed at him, the minority leader should get the member to redirect the question at the appropriate but honorable, the majority leader should desist from this often attacking the Gold Board and calling it all manner of names. Indeed, we are a product of probity and accountability, and we live by it.
And on Ira Alexander Casaviano, Ura Dafiamako, Nelson, Roxon, Eche Kennedy will be a so. Ya Sompa kase ya boss wa mawe
mrase bedwam wa na yegina na we ya woda no ne ya ba ye no bia e na egusu gina musa no na no second of ya ta say one want me amfa na amane say wa konya green card as say dey what US wo twati era boga na ye den o ba ha da ye den won dey ba ha ba gi green card na no na amanfo bebre eka so aban se wa bon pa extradition process kra wonim ye said na tamakro dia kra o mde bro o mo hansa fo hene kra no asaba na da no mpo na ye na no na sesi ai dom kase no wo mo na no ni mama yarega wo ka kire minority for ne MPP for samo mo antimi amfa kanofori ata ma mama nka kire Ghana for so mo ntoba mama.
Mr. Speaker, I believe that Ghanaians should demand of the NPP that if they don't produce kind of Oriata in this country, they should never come before them asking for power again. Ghanaians must demand of the NPP, because you presented him to this parliament as your nominee for a finance minister, and we approved him as a nominee for finance minister and gave him our economy to manage. And he mismanaged it and ran away. And you want to go back to Ghanaians and ask Ghanaians to give you power again, so that you will bring another kind of Oriata to mismanage the economy and run to Europe. That's what you want to do. And Ghanaians must be asking MPP not to even appear before them to ask for power unless they have brought Ken Oforiata back to this country. That's what I think should happen.
Mahama Yargano no. And one can say MPP for power. Mungofa Ken Oforiata mra. And I know to me say na dey we kire minority for no say mo kan say jama ye na tumi ni kitaye. And I know attorney general kan say we start extradition process. We kwafara bana what they are exchange the abutire ka akọ what they abutire ka akọ ye no and America for na ye ni suli afi na do ani bere e ba ba so wa mo MPP for so wo mo ka tell Mahama Yarga say mu ntimi mu niam mama ka say mu ka shiri e na e ha mo
ene abusua ansa na ye be kwa aboafo ho no ya woda kro na ena yewra ahiagba se ukọ wosona manyoku no mu a wono e ka nkunta hudi abofo no ho bofo tene no na ode ba beto so se na no World Cup ball ya yebo ya Ghana fo ekobi amampani kura ka se one sponsor bia man nkro na wo ma wo amana ne ho ye Ghana for na betimi akwa cheer players na up ama wo ma hwene no wo mo ho TV a ye behwe na yewura Attorney General Chief Justice na watutu aguso ahye ne siutu aka ne nsa ahyem na wote Vice President nche na papa na okọ bi mambani anka so wo ma bi anko ne no na yewura hiagba e kasa ho no wo de yintie.
With the NDC, it creates certain worry, and observing from where we stand and the conduct of the government, we see that this goes to reinforce a certain fear we have that in our country, justice is selective, and to have the Chief Justice, the head of justice delivery or administration in our country, be in that close proximity with the NDC makes us worry that indeed what we are fearing may gives credence to our concern that this government cannot be trusted to ensure that all guardians are equal before the law, given what we are seeing. Trust is the greatest asset of the judiciary, and when that trust is quickly comes into question based on a lack of neutrality, I think that is something that the judiciary itself should be worried about.
And the boss has a mission, and NDC legal team, Victor Kwajoga Adawuda. One also bekasa ho no watch say the MPP for Kenya no sabi we say de we free be person na person obetena sie so na ne wakasa apa no so de waka na yawada no ni.
I don't think the Chief Justice just traveled just to go and watch this World Cup because he has other activities that have been lined up. And if he is in that jurisdiction and he coincides with this as a duty of him as being a Ghanaian and decides that let me go and also watch the match. And there are other officials where he can pay pleasantries with the other officials. And you come to the conclusion that the proximity with these people, with other officials, it's making it that people will not have justice. There will be no fairness. I think that it's far to be fair.
And no, NDC legal team member Victor Kwajoga Adawudua, we Dayawada, and Sanko Muinina no Abusia Ebemu. Meka swan Macau say, Midima for a bar center, Udima Wakasimu. Na ya de mano, I as a Father's Day, ya de mouse from Coquan Socra. Na Midima for Edimayeno. Just hot kinky no and a Dutch and America say a jabia as a woman you woman near mount one a war bread yama never yem few no ya di just docuno be na udi we are bohus and power with the Yamiaso na ebema the Udi Janon Socrano we are mun show home obey na why ye woman could tell you when you may and some pania be a ma menko ye call one chabasis ya.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo Heba Clinic Abakra, and you won't hear passengers a Gumikaimi, a Hana Dudwana Aircro. Hey, and the Sacran and put away the mo, and yet the Muampa, the Sadia, a Duchem, Atlantic International University, America Memu, about Dr. Dujanfi Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am Sano, I am more. Oh, Missy Minim wife, your copa war, 1 year, 1 city, need send the 2 months and 8 years cano. Miss Mikone. And said, Uncle, ye, na a sakakra. To say what Peggy Mama, what young Bem, connection, what about the crow? Stroke, so dear, what found small. Tessa, I did you who any dear Siano. Yaria Bia Tatia, ever Dr. Tamdaso and so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria, Yaria Bia. Kumasi say, oh, opposite government school. And then Krahanso, Obepim, or Pokuase, Maira Quanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282. And that's 0500-727215. Midimba for Herbal Clinic. Woodima for Newa.
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
No kure Emma Aketiapa, and Rafi. Emuni yaba be wura sesi e na noa ana na nsem ni na na montre so aso ase we Canada Japan ase enyonoa ase enyonoa ena eso ne mom ye moni nti ye tie ya ni Canada Japan ka kire mbibifo samo de na no wa ma mo showdown okay mampani akufuado mema mu showdown baumia mema mu showdown eno no okay na no kra na nipa bi petapata no gini fo nyina afi nsem no antre mo de ho ena mo sa de no wo se mo de mo pa mo nhina bufuo hwe that's been no ne ya wo wa ase nyina no obehi abasoro ama amanfo ahuni o mo katakata so MPP mu
MPP for them ye better men ka bi dia nchiro na o mu fi se ni o mu ye no e wo campaign me may din they can shut me down Ghana for person mu tie ni ya mu mi say agenda 111 o mu to be complete back kurana o mu ton contract no and ma other people at 10% Ghana me say agenda MPP for they should be careful with me so me ya better we are mess beans all over the place. Now, man, I can't say, me president, maybe free me sight, never know. I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not entity. Agenda 111, Mumisa Home, Saba Kokromu Rea. They sold obedient contract now. Now I got home, watching 10%. Anybody to me, Muria, move about the criticizing and this one.
Nankami, who got into the road to Yamotoa. Modi go hit na jasrama mumu ni etuatu amoto eche nkure era mwanyo bi anso akoma afofra anko no so sa akompra ko ne ono aka no ho a na wa ma president o te adwaso kra chief of defense staff unyina akeka munyina abom na commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces o ti man showdown won na mode ne monsa mo kwa no so kre de akompra kwa Japan no wono wo edwumba ena nra wo keka bisan kan ho no Abusia Friday efiada sa fiada no ana Isaac Boamanya akon mraso badwane de ma adehia wono mo efia obese efia na nensam anu wode to so nyina yese ma me sadnam atianu tamaklo sade na no wo mo chase edini fira ma no ne ba wo fira du premusia no wantiafo mo paka yakutane sabede ade se otihwiche mu wontiapo nom ne ho ade na obi otihwiche mu pa ya so ane paka sa ede ne ba ne ewie se o e ba sa no wankofie kura na yede ne ko nadu afia se wo sefo ne tem na yedi asa no wonachi ede to ho no eno na afia mra se badwani Isaac Boamanya akose e bia na wo wonsawam ana se wo sunwane sanya ho no wo adwira de Pentecost for sima wo mu ikura bia wo mo nkyere ba bia wo na yampa watermelon bi empa gare nka ho ne asikyire mfa American to so ne yankonkosra no hu sa ha no wo na ye kosra no ne sei netie na emom se ye beka ne tra ase na wo servo abra wo ne bia prison ba bia wo chefie didi dade wo mo tie ase enye yie we fia dan no nso bi we so.
Let's call on good governance and accountability on the part of government. If government fails to provide that as we have requested, we will use all the available tools available to us in Parliament to make those inquiries so that the Minister for Interior may be asked those questions to come and provide details to us. But we don't need to trigger that option since government has to be accountable to its people. This is a matter of national interest. People have been in waiting. We all follow through the extradition processes and even the information that she's coming to the jurisdiction, and so it is incumbent on government to have provided information as to at what time did she arrive in Ghana, who was she handed over to, if she is in prison custody, which prison custody is she in, and fair details as to whether she is given or she's going to serve the full term. If this information is not provided, then you give room for people to
anti sansem we nyina na yasembisa o hen na bra wo besi ye no kura hwan ne dan na ma no obeka se mede ne konsewa na mede ne ko ha se ekoba se mo amma ye nyina na dia amanfo be keka de wo mo pe efia mra hye badwani onabo Isaac Boamanya akon na no fiada enura
soafo a ohwe nwasi asem so no a wokasa on se bra no wo position no no mo kan so mo ba pe automatic posting be ba so live ai ana na afi etwa mo no kura no wan kan so mbe fa nipa nko adesuafo achechefo nko ano empema duonum 50,000 ano so wokan na mrase bedafie nanso o ma anfa ba akokora ana afie we yebesi mu no wo mu bie portal ne tumi so wo mu be fa nipa mo be fa se ase fa mpem so ana Ghana fo se he munyai sana mo ka kire Ghana fo asa mo ya dada wo ana so o da bi teacher for the aban hia nanso ne sika sha.
Mr. Speaker, the country
has evolved and the country has undertaken some far-reaching reforms that will benefit education in the foreseeable future. Mr. Speaker, for instance, what my colleague Che has said, you now have the Commission for Technical and Vocational Education, you now have the GES, and therefore when we are recruiting, we allocate both for TVET and for GES. But there is a difference between NEET and what I have budgetary approval for. My NEET is between 50 to 90,000 teachers, but I have clearance for 7,000, and that's what I'm making do with. I have financial clearance for the recruitment of 7,000 teachers. That is in the process. And Mr. Speaker, those categories that we are recruiting will begin work on the 1st of July.
1st July, yeah, and Okrabaya for Fieda. Sabrano, and Wamabaya Munina, who are you, ma? Ne Krakuramuno, and what they told on watch I say. How do this on Google? What they told on watch I say? Ghana, Yankasaya, and near Mano Ayano. Ghana, bani Google. Akasa ama say ube busa ube ko Google no so no na wo ho na manfo busa no waso amba ye no am de ba na na Ghana for say oh yeah sure.
Investment in digital education. I've said that we have to revise curriculum. I'm sure the young learners here would have loved to have tablets so that they themselves can begin to use it and learn with it. As a country, we need to invest more on digital education infrastructure. There are many schools in Ghana which are not even connected to electricity, let alone connected to the internet. How are you going to have access? But technology have improved, and there is now what we call offline grades of some of these tablets. They don't need electricity connectivity. They may be able to do it. We have just signed a memorandum of understanding with Google, which was narrowed to language, mother tongue language, and I asked Google to expand it to the top official language. That they are working very closely with the University of Ghana and the University of Science and Technology in expanding investment on AI-related technology to facilitate digital learning. So, Mr. Speaker, we'll do our best within the constraints of budget. I thank you.
I thank you too. I thank you too. Ghana for me say they don't cry who did that. Into am cry evident. Name now we know what they to say. One day yeah. Edi ama na sa mother tongue content no a enkoda betimi de asua de o tablet so enya mo phone no ekitekita mo no de no eno no amne Google for aka wi a wo mo pia de agusu da busia we so ne yegina na na nsem no ye de bra wo ne nyina no ye de ne nyina asia no de fe no Ghana this week no eye medima for ba center na da no so yasene na just bread and pastries edi just what kinky e so be ka ye ho ne 1st August ye pa hontoma e 21 Watermelon Street ene ye apam just kinky eno ye de pa hontoma no wo mo na so asene kama pa ye tena se wo Sompa hai 106.5 no Sompa nkura bata ne nyina fa ye bra na da ma FM ena afi Kingdom enso FM ye won fenfen mantamu adamfapa radio age na kana ban radio so fa ye no ye de wo AC mema ne nyina ye gina manam nne ena mo ambeko sina nim nyina mo nsa ne nso se musi mema ne nyina na mu na mo adwuma kase emfa maye no nti ya miansa a wo fia ha no e Sarfo kantanka wono one time kasa rof na emom ye no a ye gyebre e de anugu nsem nyina ho asew e de ma wo no e ye me wode man kuma chia me obrempon na kwaku ampoma meni apam no
triple A mine ejapia happy Father's Day
ye ko na ebo no wotwe pepepa live commentary e de ba wa kwamu we Antonio Rudiger ne German national team no ani Cote d'Ivoire Alassane Ouattara ma no wo mu di boni na intim de octopus Kojo Sugar Vincent Ampabe ne Opoku Sivamo Fidel Gandhi mo ne Papa Clef mo wo mu be yamagumu e de free sunya Alhaji be kwa na bro san mu ho no a e de ato apete wiase amansan nyina eno nti sabre ye de how share akwanhofo ne nsa don hwere pe na fie de commentary to aso de